Yo! What's cracking, mother truckers? Outlaw Dipper here, the greatest dipper of all time. You know what we're doing out here? We packing, we dipping, we spin all the time. That's
you son of a bitch! This is my freaking channel! Hey, you just scratched my taillights, bro! I was gonna sell them on Craigslist! Gonna pay off my child support! It's cracking, mother truckers! I had to teach you how to do it today. Got my buddy Kyle here. Got my buddy Fat Boy, or you can say Colorado Crocodile Dundee. Colorado Crocodile Dundee, yes sir. All right guys, as you guys saw in the last video, which we're filming the same day, we got the headlights and the new grill done on the gosh dang truck ski, but we gotta clear out this garage because we're about to bring the boat in. We got some cool shit we're doing today on that, but before we do that, we gotta clear all these boxes out and stuff. And one thing I forgot to show you guys in the last video is that something I was talking about was I'm putting racing seats in the K20 because, well, that freaking leather bench seat gets hot as fuck. And you slide around all the time and the seatbelts don't work, so it's kind of a good thing. You kind of want seatbelts when you're mud, you know what I'm saying? You got a dick growing out of your mouth. A black one, a big black one. You got flies everywhere, dude, gosh dang. All right guys, so first off, check this out, man. Harness system. So we finally got seatbelts. We went to 4.3, so it's a 4-way harness system. And the freaking chest, side, four. Freaking, you know what I'm saying?
Gotta hold them boobies in.
Want me to still second?
I'm the freaking cat. Thank you, God. So yeah, those are from PRP because we got PRP seats, dude. Check these. I haven't even looked at these yet, so. Which is funny because they said that these weren't gonna get shipped out for 8 weeks, and it's only been a week, and they're already here. So let's check these out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here she freaking blows. Oh. There she blows, ladies and gentlemen. Obviously the straps go right through there. And these are suspension seats, so they kind of sit down and it's better for when you're off-roading so you don't, feel the frame of your, truck or something and hurt your back. It's like Fat Boy landing on you or something, So there she blows. I went with the black. I was gonna do yellow, but I figured it was gonna get pretty dirty. So we got black harnesses, black seats. We will throw these in when I get back from this weekend. So next week we're gonna be throwing these in the K20. Should be good. But I need to find out if I have the right brackets to mount these in there because I don't know. It's an older truck, so we'll have to see how they work. All right, so here is the dealie. Oh, this boat right here. Not a fan, not a giant fan of this boat right here. The wiring and how it was set up with what came with it was just not a fan at all. So this whole boat is DC current. Come over here, check this out. So you've got the lights from the front all coming together right here, and they run along side to here, in which goes straight to the generator. So you're just running the light straight out the generator. Well, this right here is the generator that they gave me. Within a week, yeah, the new generator. Within a week, the whole thing broke, and all this stuff, it just wouldn't run. It wouldn't run at the amps it was supposed to. The lights would flicker the entire time. Would not stay solid at all. They would stay dim, just depending on the day. So what Kyle and I did a couple weeks ago, we took, this is where the gas tank is. We took that off. We rewired it, basically just took it out of this hole here and wired it all the way back to this spot where we have now 2 batteries going parallel to each other. So we've got an interstate battery and an opposite battery here, and right now they're running in sequence. And one we got the trolling motor going to, and the other one we got the lights going to, because the trolling motor would die in like 3 hours and it would just be horrible. Now, where's the generator, you might ask? Because we can't just, right now we're running the lights strictly right off the battery, which is cool, but
no recharge.
There's no recharge. It takes, it's freaking only lasts what, 4 hours we tested it. So, or no, not even, excuse me, an hour.
We were getting about an hour and a half.
Yeah, getting about
2, but the lights were flickering.
And then the trolling motor would die and all that kind of stuff. So what we needed to do is we can't just hook up we needed some type of converter to go from DC to AC for our new generator, which is right here. This is the new Honda generator. Whew, shit. So this is the 2200 generator that we got. It's a Honda. It runs about $1,000. It's actually, from what Bass Pro says, that's $1,300, and this is cheaper, and that's better apparently, or whatever. But no, that thing is loud as shit. You can't hear nothing when you're fishing. This thing is super freaking quiet and you never gosh dang hear it. So obviously you see we've got some 120 volt AC. So what we're going to do is, and it's got DC, but you know, it's battery charging only, right? So what we're gonna do is we're going to take this. This is a 24 volt Power Max converter. So we're gonna mount this. We've actually got 2 of them. We're gonna mount these in the sidewalls in here and run this to the generator and run the batteries into here. So then we're running from DC to AC, in which we were finding that there was like no other converters out there. And these Power Max converters are made strictly for bow fishermen, which is like super weird. I guess you don't really need to use that application in anything else. So that's what we're gonna be doing right now. I'm sure you guys understood nothing what I just said, but unless you're some type of electrician, but should be fun, man. All right, we got Fat Boy running to grab us some oil for this thing. 4-stroke oil, because we forgot to basically pick it up for that. Man, this sun needs to go down already. Where Kyle is moving this right now is where we are going to try and put it, on the wall. All right, so to get this sumbitch up in there, we're gonna take out the cranking battery, and then we should be able to basically get it in there. It's all basically just strapped up. And then we've got extra wire here and here that we'll be able to use going from the batteries to the converter. Oh, that right there is our pain in the dick cranking battery. So it should be fun because obviously this doesn't move back at all and there's no access window. I like your bed there, Kyle. Can't even see it actually, never mind. Forget I said that, it's invisible. All right, so what we're doing here is mounting the converter on the sidewall. This thing can't get wet whatsoever, so we're probably gonna build a shield around it, but we're gonna have it lifted up a tad, which I'll probably lift it up while we got self-tapping screws in there, so.
What I'm thinking I may do, mark the spots, take the get the converter out of here, drill the holes, and then we'll mount it in there afterward.
We're gonna mark our spot with the Sharpie, because it's a tight spot. Growing old over here. Fat Boy finally got back from the gosh dang store, dude. So, picked up some oil for our generator. And then we got some cables for our battery here. So we're gonna run these 2. And obviously we're gonna strip one. Oh, Kyle's already doing it over here. We're gonna strip one of these sides right here like he's doing. And we're gonna feed that into the converter, both of these. And they're gonna go off the negative on one and positive on the other battery. Those batteries are obviously running in sequence, and then they're gonna go into the converter. So we'll show you how we're doing that right now. I did an upper decker, make my fecker bigger. You sure as hell know I need this on this. Oh, you need an upper decker, dude. You got one in?
No, I just took it out so you have my Red Bull.
He definitely needs it. All right,
So this is their oil fill.
14 ounces max oil capacity. So do that bottle, check the oil.
Yeah.
What's your dipsticks right there?
You're a dipstick.
No. I said your dipstick's right there. Bro.
No! I might need a little electric shock to get it out of my body.
Power to get your picker going.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna throw these in now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Give me a rag. Give me a rag. Oh, fuck. A little late. Here, Fat Boy.
Tilt it.
Tilt the freaking.
There we go. Not too much. Got full of gas. I mean, ass.
Got gas in that
The
ass.
generator or Fat Boy?
Both. That's for you.
Ow. My fucking feet with these boots.
That's why you should be wearing your Outlaw boots at ingenuity.com. Love the smell of gasoline in the morning.
Oh man, it smelled.
I don't use soap, I use gasoline.
Best detergent out there.
It's good enough to run my car, it's good enough to run me.
Dude, that is a big thing.
It just
Holy
fucking
shit.
filled.
That like right to the top.
It might fucking.
Anybody got a straw?
Oh, fuck! It was fuller than I thought. Alright, it's full of oil. Man, that oil's still freaking leaking out. What the hell? What's going on there? Go ahead and freaking turn her on. See how quiet that is?
What? I mean, just kidding. It's quiet.
That's so much quieter than that.
Way quieter.
Might sound loud to you guys, but it's super freaking quiet, man. Beautiful. Alright, so generator's working. It's good. It's even quieter with the freaking door on. But we're going to throw this cranking battery back in here. Okay. Now we have the 2 wires going straight to the converter. Basically, they just plug in and then you tighten a Phillips head down.
I'm gonna run power positive to this side, and then we're gonna run negative down to this lower battery to keep it in series correctly.
No, I'm not gonna lie right now. The only thing going through my head is an episode of Home Improvement. Doesn't say Binford on it. It's made by somebody else.
It doesn't say Binford on it. It's made by somebody else. All right, so our power is gonna run right here, which we marked with our green tape because we don't have red tape. That one's gonna go to our negative down there, which is our ground. And hopefully, with all this new wiring and everything, the lights should be running no problem. We should have ran the lights.
We can fish all night.
We can fish all night, baby.
What?
Let's go fishing right now.
We can dip all night.
Wanna go fish right now? What you packing, bro? You got some Outlaw dip?
There's Outlaw dip.
That ain't no gosh dang Outlaw, you son of a bitch!
Don't put me on the spot. No,
Hey, at least he was trying to lie.
switch to that Outlaw dip.
Oh yeah, there you go, buddy. What you got?
Well, it's a tough guy.
Tough
Peach,
guy.
but-
There's some Lucky Lipper over
Where's
there
your Lucky
somewhere.
Lipper?
Yeah, some fresh Lucky Lipper, dude.
Fresh Lucky
Fresh
Lipper.
off the press.
Ooh. Now you ain't lying to me, are you?
No, somewhere. I don't remember though. You can throw whatever you want in. I'm just playing with you.
Well, you know, if you got Lucky Lipper laying around here, I wouldn't mind.
I got there's some inside. It might be on my desk actually. It's a fresh can. It hasn't even been opened.
Well, that's worth the walk. Oh, that is a sexy ass can right
Oh, you got some badass bourbon now, bro. You gotta tell me what you think of that, dude.
I shall.
Okay, now we're hooking up the positive. We got the negative on. You're just making sure.
Got the right one.
Ooh, you can smell that right when you crack that can.
I know. Smell good. Let me smell.
Oh,
Ah, dude, that's bourbon right there. That ain't no whiskey. That's bourbon. That's Kentucky bourbon, bro. You smell it?
No, I'm just getting shocked a little bit.
Oh,
I had
I'm
my
shocked.
leg up against this, you know, like a 9-bolt where you stick your tongue. That's what it felt like. I was like, what is that?
ooh, damn. Has some prettiness right there. Well, that's moist.
Get you some. I know, dude.
Dude, that's like somebody's.
The moistest dip of all time. Look at that juice coming out on that flashlight. Oh my goodness.
Oh, my, look.
Oh, look at the juice
Oh.
that's coming out. My goodness.
You squeeze it.
Outlawdip.com. Get you some, boy.
You squeeze it. It was like somebody poured a bottle of bourbon, straight into this dip.
Yeah, dang straight, dude. Get you some of that. Oh, eat it, boy. Oh, ew, yeah. Watch your fat boy take a dip. Oh, God. Oh, asshole. All right, there we go. We'll hook that sumbitch back up here. So, this is what we have. The boat came with just these 2 batteries, the cranking battery and then the battery for the trolling motor, right? And the lights strictly ran off the generator that sucked balls, which was down there and completely broken. So what we did is we added a battery, 2 12-volt batteries, running them in sequence of each other, which basically you just take 2 batteries, you hook one to the positive, one to the negative, you're good to go there, sequence.
Makes your battery go from here
To here, yeah, you got a bigger battery now. So basically we're running a 24-volt system now. So we have a 24-volt converter over here mounted to the sidewall, and then the batteries are hooked to that, and then it's got a 110 coming up here. We hook our extension cord to that, running it to our brand new generator here, which is working. We just tested out, and then our lights all night as long as we got gas, baby. Oh. I tried to make the farting noise with my upper lip, and it dipped straight out my mouth, and then he actually farted. Smells like bourbon, boy. Damn. Okay, so there's our lights right now, right? Now, if we leave these lights on, they'll just freaking start to flicker and everything like that.
We unplugged some of them from the last fishing trip.
Plugs into that thing hanging right there, fat boy on the side.
Oh, I see
Oh,
that.
God dang, you see the light now, boy? So we got our lights on now, they're all solid, but if we ran it, you know, if we leave it for a couple minutes, it's gonna start to flicker and stuff like that because it's only running off of batteries right now, which are pretty much almost empty. Banjo, it's okay. It's okay, buddy. So the trolling motor right now is completely dead. Checking it. So hopefully when we, you know, turn the generator back on, it charges everything back up and we're good to go. But check out this light, dude. Right. This is how it should be. Running off that generator, super dim and just flashes. You can't see nothing.
The one just flickered.
Did it?
Yep.
Oh yeah, see it's flickering there? Starting to die out. Now, let's go see if we can make them all solid.
Oh, there goes the right side.
Oh yeah, there goes the right side. Now they're starting to flicker. See, when you're bow fishing with flickering lights, it gives you freaking epilepsy, man. That ain't safe. This is why we did this. All right, that's plugged in to our generator. Let's do it, baby. Boom! Bam! Hallelujah! Woo! That's right, baby. Solid freaking lights. How you doing? We fishing all night, baby. And Fat Boy's got enough gas in him to last us 4 nights, so we good, baby. Check this trolling motor. Yep. Trolling motor's charging. Sweet. Yes. That right there took a lot of thinking, but we got her done, baby. If you guys ever get a bow fishing boat and have lights on front and they give you a shitty generator like they did, you gotta do this setup, man. You gotta do it. And now, the generator is off and the lights flicker once again. Mission accomplished. The only thing that we need to possibly do is the converter gets pretty hot and the fan's facing towards the back, so it's not pulling any fresh air, so we might need to put a fan on it. Which on videos and stuff we've seen, everybody has a fan.
It's got one built in, but it's not enough to get enough flow, so that's why we need a bigger fan in there. We circulate some kind of air in there.
Yeah, so we'll might put a fan on it and everything. But hey, man, freaking working, dude.
We drill a hole here, put a PVC pipe. You got an idea for your fan. We're gonna cut a hole in your boat, put a PVC pipe in the hole, attach a fan to the PVC pipe, you'll get air circulation.
You know what we could do? That's badass, dude.
You're not gonna wire that up and down. Do that?
No, this is how, that way we can literally undo this, pull the generator off, put it in the back of the truck, because you don't want to keep this on here when we're driving. So that'll be literally pulled off and have to go in the back of the bed every time. Which you may want to start bringing in bungee cords so you can strap it down so it's not dumping oil and gas everywhere inside.
Nope, it fits in the toolbox.
Look at that.
Yeah.
You already tried?
Yeah. I was bored. Hell yeah. I need a mud jug. Oh, that's better. Got the new Keep It Freaking Hillbilly Banjo Roadie. Banjo, where you at, bro? Where you at, Banjo? Come here. Show him your new mud jug, dude. Show him your new mud jug. Yeah. That's Banjo's new mud jug right there. And speaking of Banjo, you can use code BANJO for 25% off your order this weekend only. So I think this video's going up on Sunday. Dude, tonight at midnight, it's done for. So get you one, baby. Mudjug.com. Link in the description box. Good job, guys. Hot dang, dude. Freaking killed it today.
On your truck, you got the fucking boat ready to go.
Dude, what a day, man. We got her good, man. So now, more bow fishing. That's kind of why we weren't bow fishing a lot at night here. And obviously the end of the season's coming, so we're gonna be going out this week for sure. And we'll be hitting a new lake and stuff like that, me and Brolaw. So we'll keep some bow fishing videos coming. If you guys do like the bow fishing videos, make sure to smash that like button and let us know. Banjo's still doing good. He's freaking licking everything and still not eating that well, but you know, he's still wanting to play with sticks and everything. Banjo, bring the stick. God dang, he's a big son of a dick, dude. He sit. Give me a shake. Boy, give me a high five. Good boy. Give me a spin. Good boy. Oh, sorry, bad boy, right on your toe. But he got them gosh dang Outlaw boots from outlawdifferentboots.com. Check it out, link in the description box. Okay, I think that's it for today, boys. We killed it. Hey, don't forget to hit gosh dang subscribe, smash that thumbs up button if you guys want to see us go bow fishing. And I reckon we'll see ya on the dip side. My name's Outlaw, and I always remember no matter what you're freaking doing. Say it with me, boys. Live to thrill. That was horrible. Holler.
You want to do that again?
No. Okay, gosh,
I was like, you want that, right?
All right, let's do it again. And always remember, no matter what you're freaking doing, live
to
thrill.
Holler.
Running dogs with my bros, just killed a hog with my boat.